1:45 p.m. August 14, 2019. Got Amtrak coming here, Plaistow, New Hampshire. Here I'm honking down at Crane Crossing. Hoping to see a heritage today. This is Plaistow, New Hampshire, mile marker 273, Main Street crossing. Looking down the grade here. He's coming now. That's the mile marker post to the left. Alright, Plaistow, New Hampshire. Amtrak coming down from Portland going to Boston. Amtrak on approach. Plaistow, New Hampshire. Down Easter. Going over to track 2. 126 in the rear and the 406 in the lead. Here at Plaistow, New Hampshire. Plaistow, New Hampshire, the Atkinson, Hampshire, and Haverhill, Mass. It's August 4th, 2019. Here at Plaistow, New Hampshire, mile marker 273.